I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to set up your own website on Wix, creating an account is the first step. Here's a simple guide to get you started. Step 1. Visit the Wix website. Go to www.wix.com in your web browser. This is where you'll begin the account creation process. Step 2. Click on Get Started. On the homepage, find and click the Get Started button. This will take you to the registration page. Step 3. Choose your sign-up method. You can sign up using your email address, Google account, or Facebook account. Select the method that works best for you. Step 4. Fill in your details. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. A quick tip: if you see a password strength meter, aim for a strong rating to enhance security. Step 5. Confirm your account. Check your email for a confirmation link from Wix and click on it to verify your account. This step is crucial to activate your account fully. Now you're all set to start building your website on Wix. If you have any questions along the way, feel free to reach out. Happy website building!